Hello, my dear students, and welcome to another episode of Math is Fun. And today I have come with another trick. But yes, we are currently focusing on squaring of numbers. So, yes, it is one more trick related to that only. But in the last video, we did trick that was about the numbers that are more than the base. And today we'll be doing it for those numbers which are less than the base. Yes, it is very, very similar to the previous trick with a slight twist. So if you have practiced the earlier one, I'm sure you'll get this very, very easily. So it's super easy for you. So without further ado, let's get on to our working. So here is our whiteboard, and I've already written the trick that is squaring of numbers that are less than the base, and you already know what are base numbers. That is number one, followed by zeros. Now, in this, the question number one that we have taken is 97 square, right? Now, for this number, the closest base will be 100, right? So let's get on to doing this. And let me subtract 97 from 100. So it is no nothing difficult to see that I'll get a 3. But because we have 100 as the base, so as we did in the previous case also, so the answer will be divided into two parts, the right hand side and the left hand side. And the right hand side, the number of digits on the right hand side depends on the number of zeros. So because there are two zeros in the base, so we will get two-digit number on the right hand side. Now for this 3, I have to square it, so I'll get 9, but I will write it as 09, right? Because we have 100 as the base. So this becomes the right hand side. Now coming on to the left hand side. In those numbers where it was more than the base, I was adding this 3 to the basic original number 97. But because it is less than the base, I will be subtracting. So it becomes 97 minus 3, and that is 94. And this is our final answer. That is 9409. Isn't it super easy? Now, let's go on to the second question, that is 9983 square. So, this number seems huge, but see, with this trick, it'll become super easy. And as I've always said, through practice, you can do orally also. And for this number, the closest base will be 10,000, right? That means having four zeros, right? And if I subtract 9983, I'll get 17, right? Now I need to square the 17 number, and I would always suggest at least from number 2 to 25. At least remember the squares and cubes of these numbers, because most questions will require this, and then it will become very easy. So 17 square is 289. So I write 289, and because the base number has four zeros, so obviously the right hand side should have four numbers. So I'll write 0289. And then I'll be subtracting for the left hand side, I'll be subtracting 17 from 9983, and I will get double nine six. So this is our final answer. That is 9966028 9. So, wasn't it super easy? So, let's go on to the main screen. So, that was the trick today, and I'm sure you would have loved it. It will be very, very beneficial for you in your competition exams as well. Maybe you are applying for JE or any banking examination, whatever you are preparing for. But and super easy for the kids as well. And you start practicing these tricks at an early age. So by the time you actually go on to appear for your competition exams, you're already well versed with them. And of course, math makes fun, math is fun, and you know, math makes life fun too. So just keep sharing these videos with your friends and do comment below the video so that I can know what you think about this trick. Thank you.